I love to run, I love to hike in nature, love my dog. I've been road biking since I was 17. My longest ride was 500 miles. I went from Duluth to Thunder Bay and back, 500 miles in 5 days. I studied in Italy when I was in college, and yeah, I stayed with an Italian family. We had Italian language intense lessons for 6 hours a day, and I went with a buddy of mine and we just made a pact only to speak Italian with each other, not English. Maybe because I have teenagers or I feel kind of young at heart, but I really like seeing you know, the younger patients, you know, the teenagers that are having, you know, female difficulties, or you know, are scared to come in and see the OB/GYN doctor for the first time, because I feel like I have a very calming, relaxing presence, and I feel like I make them feel, you know, peaceful and at ease. And that's what I really like about OB/GYN, is that, you know, especially if you're in a place for a long time, I mean, if you see someone for their first pap smear and then you deliver their baby, and you know, 14 years later, I mean, you really feel like you know that person, you know, and you see them on the street or you say hi, you know. It's just, you develop this really close bond with the patient. Every day I'm very thankful that I have this work, and that I can do what I do, and that I can make such an influence in people's lives, and that I have that privilege of being able to do that. I usually think of it on my way home, kind of a prayer, you know. I just say thank you, God, for, you know, getting me to this place and allowing me to practice here.